Hello guys, welcome to pvapins.com. pvapins.com is a virtual platform where you can verify your any account with your preferable country's phone number. Let's get started. First you have to visit pvapins.com, then click on Login or Sign Up button. After clicking you will see this interface like this, then click on Register New Account button. Enter your full name, email address, password, and CAPTCHA, then tap the Register button. After create an account here, you will see your dashboard like this. Now you have to recharge your account from Top Up option. Clicking Top Up you will see the recharge method here. Select your preferable method for recharge your account. After recharge you will see your balance here. Today, I will show you how to create and verify Skype account. Look at the phone screen first. In this field you have to enter a number and verify it. Now search your country. Search your app. Select a package from here. You will see a number here. Enter this number into number verification field. Click this refresh button. A verification code will be shown here. Enter this code in this verification field. You are almost done. Just look at the phone screen.